It has been 2 days since Apple secretly released the Pro version of AirPods, one of their most popular products. I will unbox them today and give my first impression. The Pro comes with a handful of new features that differentiate it from the previous AirPods. The whole design is completely new, everything is different now, and these brand new AirPods will cost you $249. The case is slightly wider and shorter than the previous AirPods case, so basically it looks like you turned the old one sideways. Like the old one, Pro also supports wireless charging, but this time there is no other option for you to save a few bucks for the regular case without wireless charging. Surprisingly, it is still equipped with a Lightning port, and Apple includes a Lightning to USB-C cable. So if you are currently using iOS, make sure that you have a charger with a USB-C port, otherwise you can only count on wireless charging. So what's new on the earbuds? As you can see here, the AirPods Pro are a little bit smaller and they have a shorter stem. Honestly, I don't think they look as bad as Apple showed on their website. After I put them on, they just look like a shorter, smaller version of the AirPods. The reason why you may think they look weird is probably the rubber tips. As Apple publicized, there are 3 different tip sizes. And for those who have a slightly bigger auricle, this is definitely good news as it makes it possible to work out with them and you don't have to worry about them falling out. And thanks to the rubber tip design, put them on and you will notice that except for the ceiling the earbuds has created, the AirPods Pro actually uses microphones to offer you active extra noise cancellation. The cancellation is quite impressive. You can hardly believe that only with these tiny little rubber tips, you can enjoy a decent quiet environment. If the AirPods Pro is the first pair of earphones that has active noise cancellation, you can immediately feel the difference and you will definitely love it. Activating the noise cancellation will surely lead to a shorter usage time. You're going to get 5 hours of battery on a single charge, 4.5 with noise cancellation. Fast charge technique is available this time. You'll get 1 hour of talk time or listening to music just from 5 minutes of charge. In the meantime, AirPods Pro has a transparency mode which allows you to still hear sounds even with the inner ear sealing, and that is all because of the larger vent on the sides, where the air can pass through. Another difference is that now you don't have to tap on the stem. Now you can just squeeze them. There is a press-sensitive flat area where you can squeeze it to change songs or pause. Sadly, we can't adjust the volume of the music with the AirPods Pro themselves. With the H1 chip inside, the AirPods Pro will pair with your device just by being near to your iPhone. In the control center, you can adjust the volume and switch between the noise cancellation and the transparency modes. In short, although everyone has their own interpretation of how things sound, AirPods Pro may not satisfy all of your demands, but at least they sound better than the old AirPods. So, if you are considering replacing your old device, AirPods Pro are always a good choice. New features like noise cancellation and IPX4 is very impressive. For those who can't stand within-ear earbuds, you may give a second thought, but for everyone else, AirPods Pro seems to be a decent Bluetooth earphone with noise cancellation. Thanks for listening, guys. Please subscribe and we'll see you in the next video.